Born to express, not to impress. Let's be clear, I trust no one. I never go for looks, I go for maturity, stability, loyalty, and peace. Stop expecting loyalty from people who can't even give honesty. If your life just got harder, congratulations, you just leveled up. The goal is not to wear brands, it is to become one. Your opinion is not my reality. I don't work for money, I work for freedom. When money speaks, nobody checks the grammar. Money speaks only one language. If you save me today, I will save you tomorrow. You are the CEO of your life. Hire, fire, and promote accordingly. You can copy me, but you will never be me. Style is an art. You express who you are through what you're wearing. Your style should match your ambition. I chase goals, not people. Be the king of your field. Don't quit. Millions of money will be pouring on you soon. Claim it. Money speaks only one language. If you save me today, I will save you tomorrow. Always build multiple sources of income. Never rely on one. If you want to be successful, be consistent. Next year, this time will be millionaire. The average millionaire has 7 streams of income. You can't deposit excuses. I have to be successful because I love expensive shit. The biggest risk of all is not taking any. Rich people use most of their money to get richer. I'm not millionaire, but watch me as I become one. This paper gives you love, power, and respect. Money is the only thing in this world that will give you respect, power, and love. Money is not everything, but everything needs money. Whoever thinks money can't bring you happiness, transfer it to my bank. If you can actually count your money, then you're not a rich man. Money is like Dettol. It kills 99.99% problems. Giving money is an action. Maintaining money is behavior. Multiplying it is knowledge. Focus on making $1 first. Then focus on $10, then $100, then $1,000, then $10,000, and so on. Respect your money, and in return your money will respect you. Don't think about saving money. Think about making more money. Small profit each day adds up to big results. A small profit is better than a big loss. It's not about having lots of money. It's knowing how to manage it. If you liked my video, click to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.